If you love chocolate pudding, then try this much healthier version than those you can find in stores. It's 100% dairy-free, refined sugar-free, artificial sweetener-free, oil-free, nut-free, and 100% vegan. This easy 4-ingredient recipe will give you 2 portions of each 20 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, so it's suitable for fitness and health goals. And you're gonna need 150 grams of beans. You can use black beans, brown beans, kidney beans, or even lentils. And if you're using legumes from a can like we are, make sure to give them a good rinse. To any food processor machine, add 150 ml of water, then add the beans and 80 grams of dates. Make sure to take out the seeds. And now we're gonna add 35 grams of our Supreme Vegan Protein Powder in the flavor tiramisu, which is a rich chocolate coffee flavor. And to deepen the chocolate flavor, we're also adding 3 grams of powdered cacao. If you don't have this flavor, you can use a vanilla flavor and add 6 grams of powdered cacao and a shot of espresso, which can also be decaf, by the way. But if you don't want to use coffee at all, then just leave it out. This is the healthiest and most delicious creamy pudding that you can easily pre-make and store in the fridge up to 3 days to have as a healthy vegan and protein-rich snack at any time of the day. You can even have this as breakfast and add some sugar-free puffed grains or granola with fruits and nuts. Look how creamy it turned out. Trust me, this will be your new favorite fit snack. This easy recipe will give you 2 portions of each 260 calories and 20 grams of vegan high-quality protein and a whopping 8 grams of fiber. If you don't want to use legumes as an ingredient, then try this healthy red velvet brownie with high-quality ingredients.